Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Moghisa Iqbal. I'm your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about the place value up to 100 million. So in this lesson you will be able to identify the place value of the digits up to 100 million, and you will be able to read and write numbers in words and numerals. So let's start the class. Students, I'm showing you the place value chart. We have already learned to identify the place value of numbers up to 6 digit, students. Now we are going to work with numbers up to 9 digits, that is 100 millions. So let's consider the following chart, students. In this chart we can see that as the number of the digit increases, the value of the number also increases. Like a 7-digit number is million. We notice that 8-digit number is 10 million, while the 9-digit number is the 100 million. So students, this is all the place value chart, which will be helpful for us to solve all the questions regarding the place value. Now it's a time to learn how to convert the numbers in words. Here I'm showing you a number. So I have to convert this number in words. So what will I do first? First I place the place value chart in front of you. Like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 millions. And now what will I do? The next step is, after placing the place value chart, I will place all the numbers in their correct places in place value chart, like that. Now we can easily write the number in words as 682 million 952,602. So students, now it's a time for learning how to write the number in figures. So here is the number in words, like 25,909,437. So as I already told you that first of all I will place a place value chart with their correct numbers, like that. I have placing all the number in according to the place value in the place value chart, and now it's easy to write the number that is required, like 25,909,437. So students, it's a very easy way to write a number in figure and the words. Now it's your home assignment. You can write the number in words and you can write the words in figures with the correct spacing in your maths notebook. If you have any problem regarding the lesson, so you can contact me at miaayan42@gmail.com. Have a nice day.